everyone, I am Meenakshi. Welcome back to my channel. Today we will solve another question of CodeSinger using JavaScript. Let's get started. We will solve this question. In this question, we have to calculate difference between two time. It means we have already given two time data in hour, minutes and second format. One input creates a time structure to store hour, minutes and second values. Then we will calculate the difference between two times. And there are two inputs. First input consists 12 hours, 34 minutes and 55 seconds. And second, 8 hours, 12 minutes, 15 seconds. Then we will find the difference between both time format. Then for finding the difference, we will subtract second input into the first input. For this, first we will read the input by readLine function, which is already declared here in line number 17 to 19. Here, let T1 is the first variable. Our second variable will be T2. Then we will call readLine function then we will pass these variable as parameter of solution function T1 and T2. This solution function will simply print both the inputs. Using console.log, we are printing both the inputs. Then the variable is T1 and T2. Then we will call this function in res variable. Here we will pass T1 and T2. Then after consoling the res, we have the inputs. Then we should convert this string into array. By using split method, we will convert both the string. Let's check the output. Yes, we have two array. Then we will convert this string into substrings. For converting every character which are present in this string to an integer, we can use the empty string here for converting this string into substrings. Yes, but for removing the space string, we will pass the space here. Yes, we have inputs. Then we will convert this substring into integer. By using map method, we can do that. Then in which I pass the number data type. Another yes, for checking the yes, we have elements. Then we will perform the logic here. The logic will be first we will iterate every element. Then we will check the location. We will check the items which are present in this array by location. Then we will differentiate or we will subtract all the elements of second array from array 1. For this, we need a variable. Let the array element, the array, yes, there is another variable, difference. Def, in which I assign a simple empty string because we will push all the elements here. Then we will iterate every element. For iterating, let's declare a loop. We will use for loop. First, we will declare a variable I which is initialized by 0, and I will be, it will access all the elements which are present in this array. The condition will be I less than to t1 dot length. Then it will check all the elements. Next, for finding, we can write here the logic is we will filter every element which are present in second array by using filter method here. Filter in which I pass the t1 if t1 is not equal to 0. Then we will iterate every element. Then we will push every element in def by using push method. Diff dot push t1. Then we will find the difference between both the times format for finding the, then we will assign all the element after subtracting in def array. Then def I is equal to t1 of I minus t2 of I. Then we will return it in line number 26. Yes, we have a correct output, but we need to print this format. For printing this format, we will write an instruction. First, we need t1 value. For finding the t1 value, we need t1 dot join because it gives us an array. Then we have to remove this array into a string. That's why I am using join method here. Then we need colon. Then that's why we will pass the colon string. Then we will concatenate this string into another string, that is minus, because it is already mention here space minus space. Then then we need to concatenate T2 array element plus T2 dot join. Then we will pass the colon in this parenthesis. Then we will concatenate into, yes, we will concatenate the equal to here. Then we need the output using colon. Then we will concatenate it with equal to plus def dot join. Then we will pass an empty string. Then for using colon, that's why I pass the colon here. Let's check the output. Yes, we have the correct output. The test case will be, yes, there is only a test case. Now, this is a perfect code. Basically, there are two formats of the time which consists the hour, minutes and second. We will subtract second array from first array to finding the difference between two formats. First, I read the inputs by readline function. Then we are converting this string because this inputs are in the form of a string. Then we will convert this string into an array. Then we will write a filter here. Then we will check the T1 is not equal to. If it is not equal to, then we are writing the code here. For this, first I declare a variable in which I assign an empty array, because we will push all the element after subtraction in def variable. Then for accessing every element which are present in T1, first I use the for loop in which I assign the I variable which initialized by 0. It iterate every element. Then for finding the difference in def T, we will subtract every element from T2. Then we are assigning in def. Then in def, then we will return the correct format. According to question, we have to print this format. That's why we will use this. First, we will print the T1 elements, then with colon, then minus, then we will concatenate the T2, then equal to, then at last we will concatenate the difference value. I hope this video will helpful for you. Okay, sorry, I will explain in Hindi also. इस क्वेश्चन में हमें दो फॉर्मेट दिए गए थे T1 एंड T2, जिनको हमने लेट किया T1 T2, जो कंसिस्ट करते हैं आवर्स, मिनट्स एंड सेकेंड को. अगर हम उसका डिफरेंस निकालेंगे तो हम सेकेंड को फर्स्ट में से माइनस कर देंगे. इसके लिए पहले हमने रीड लाइन फंक्शन से दोनों इनपुट्स को रीड किया है. फिर उसके बाद हम इसको दोनों वेरिएबल में जो वैल्यू असाइन है वो स्ट्रिंग फॉर्मेट में है, हम उसको अरे में कन्वर्ट करेंगे फॉर एक्सेसिंग एवरी एलिमेंट. देन वी विल हमने एक फिल्टर यूज किया है कि T1 0 के इक्वल नहीं होना चाहिए. देन फॉर पुशिंग द ऑल द एलिमेंट्स आफ्टर सब्ट्रैक्टिंग, हमने एक वेरिएबल डिक्लेयर किया डिफ, जिसको हमने सिंपल एक एम्प्टी एरे असाइन किया है. उसके बाद हमने एक एरे के एलिमेंट को एक्सेस करने के लिए फॉर लूप यूज किया है. फॉर लूप यूज हम इसलिए करेंगे जिससे कि ith वैल्यू सभी एलिमेंट्स को चेक करेगी. till the last element of the array, t1 dot len. Then for incrementing the ith value, we are using the increment operator. Then हम t1 में से t2 को माइनस करके डिफ में असाइन करेंगे और इसी फॉर्मेट में आउटपुट प्रिंट करने के लिए हमने t1 के एलिमेंट को पहले स्ट्रिंग में कन्वर्ट किया है और बीच में हमें यहाँ पर कॉलन भी चाहिए, इसीलिए हमने इसमें कॉलन पास किया है. देन हमें माइनस चाहिए, इसीलिए हमने कॉन्केटिनेट कर दिया माइनस सिंबल को. सेम सेकेंड अरे जो कि t2 है उसको भी कन्वर्ट करके हम यहाँ कॉन्केटिनेट करेंगे. देन इक्वल टू को कॉन्केटिनेट किया है और अकॉर्डिंग टू required output we have to print output also which are present in diff. That's why हमने यहाँ पर diff को भी यहाँ पर प्रिंट किया है. Thank you so much. I hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any doubts regarding this question, you can comment in a comment section. We will solve another question in another video.